gasoline cars are about to die, Korean researchers have found a replacement. A study has allayed concerns about electric vehicle range and charging times. Researchers from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST and LG Energy, have successfully addressed these issues. This advancement could be a major turning point in the automotive industry, eliminating dependence on gasoline and accelerating the transition to electric vehicles. The research collaboration has developed a battery technology that can travel 800 kilometers in 12 minutes, surpassing the previous range of 600 kilometers. The researchers developed this latest technology by developing an original cohesion-inhibiting liquid electrolyte to enhance the performance of lithium-metal batteries. This research lays a key foundation for overcoming the technical challenges of lithium-metal batteries by understanding their interface structure. This research overcomes the biggest obstacle to the introduction of lithium-metal batteries for electric vehicles, said Hee-Tak Kim, professor of chemical and biomolecular engineering at KAIST, as quoted from the KAIST website Tuesday, September 23, 2025. The page explains that lithium-metal batteries replace the graphite anode, a component of lithium-ion batteries, with lithium metal. A research challenge is the appearance of dendrites, lithium crystals that form on the anode surface during battery charging. Dendrites complicate battery life and stability and can even cause internal short circuits during fast charging. The primary cause of this problem is the non-uniform interfacial cohesion on the lithium metal surface. Researchers have developed a new liquid electrolyte to inhibit cohesion as a solution. The liquid electrolyte utilizes an anion structure with a weak affinity for lithium ions, Li+. This will minimize the non-uniformity of the lithium interface and inhibit dendrite growth. This technology will address the charging speed issue in lithium metal batteries and maintain high energy density.